Hi children, welcome back to our class. In previous class, we learned that basic practices of crop production involves 7 steps. What are they? Preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting and storage. Today, let us talk about sowing. Sowing means the process of putting seeds in soil. What is sowing? The process of putting seeds in soil. Then seeds are selected on the basis of high yielding varieties used, should grown at proper depth, then should germinate into plants, should be sown at regular depth, proper distance should be maintained between seeds, then seeds used should free from disease, should used viable. Viable means ability to grow. Then methods of sowing. Sowing have using two types of tools, traditional tool and seed drill. Traditional tool. First we have discussed about traditional tool. In your textbook, page number 4, figure 1.2a. This picture of traditional method of sowing. This traditional tool it's shaped like a funnel. The seeds are filled into the funnel which passes down through the field. Its end is sharpened. The ends piece into the soil and place seeds there. Once more, then traditional tool, it looks like a funnel. The seeds are filled into the funnel which passes down through pipes having sharp ends. These ends piece into the soil and place seeds there. The next is seed drill. Near page number 5, figure 1.2b, a seed drill. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. Seed drill with the help of tractors. It is iron tube with funnel at the top is used. Seeds are put in funnel, then released in soil burrows. You have to see in this picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pipes there. You in upper funnel shape there. This filled into the seed. This downside come this. Then once more, what is sowing? Sowing means the process of putting seeds in soil. How to select seeds? Seeds are selected on the basis of high yielding variety. Seeds should germinate into plant. Seeds should be sown at regular depth. Proper distance should be maintained from seeds. Then free from disease. Viable ability to grow. Then next is adding manure and fertilizers. Next step is adding manure and fertilizers. Adding manure and fertilizers. Adding manure and fertilizers. Fertilizers. What is the use of fertilizer and manure? They are used to fertility of soil. These are used to maintain fertility of soil. They maintain fertility of soil. These are used to maintain fertility of soil. Then next, first we have to discuss manure. What is manure? Manure, these are organic substance obtained by decomposition of plants and animal waste. What are manure? These are obtained by decomposition of plants and animal waste. Plants and animal waste. These are obtained by decomposition of plants and animal waste. Manures are of two types, farm field and compost. Farm field means cattle dung and urine. Then compost, plants and animals waste. Then what is the advantage of manure? Manure add nutrient to soil, add humus to soil, improve quality of soil. What is the advantage of manure? Add nutrients to the soil, add humus to the soil and improve fertility of the soil. Then what is fertilizer? Fertilizer is the substance, inorganic substance which provide nutrients. Fertilizer means inorganic substance obtained by nutrients. Then fertilizers example. Fertilizers example in your textbook, page number 6. Fertilizers are chemicals which are rich in a particular nutrient. Some examples of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, urea, ammonium sulfate, urea, ammonium sulfate, then superphosphate, then NPK. NPK means nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. These are the example of fertilizers. What is fertilizers? Fertilizers are the inorganic substance which are rich in a particular nutrient. Examples: urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Then differences between fertilizer and manure. What is the difference between fertilizer and manure? In your page number 7, table 1.1. First one is fertilizer is a man-made inorganic salt. Fertilizer is man-made. Manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung and plant residue. Fertilizer is man-made and manure is natural substance obtained by plant and animal waste. Then fertilizer is prepared in factories. Manure can be prepared in the fields. Fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Manure is relatively less rich in plant. Then next talk about advantage of manures. The organic manure is considered better than fertilizers. This is because it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. Then manure helps holding water capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases becomes easy. Gas exchange become easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes. That means earthworms. Earthworm is the friend of farmers. It improves the structure of the soil. That means soil structure also improving. Then okay, once more remind today's portion. You have to discuss basic practice of crop production. What are the basic practices of crop production? Preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting and storage. Today we have to study sowing. What is sowing? The process of putting seeds into soil. What is sowing? The process of putting seeds in soil. Then seeds are selected on the basis of high yielding variety, should germinate into plant. then should be sown at regular depth, that means distance, regular distance or regular depth. Proper distance should be maintained between seeds, that means not overcrowding. Then seeds are used should be free from disease, that means good seeds are selected. Then should be viable. Viable means ability to grow. Then what are the different tools of sowing? First one is traditional tool and seed drill. Traditional tool operated by man, seed drill operated in tractor. Seed drill save time and regular depth of the plants. Then next we have discussed fertilizers and manure. Manure. What is manure? Manures are organic substance obtained by decomposition of plants and animals. Example of cattle, dung and urine. Then waste of plants and animals. Then advantage of manure: add nutrients to the soil and add humus to the soil, improve quality of the soil. Then next, fertilizers. Fertilizers is inorganic substance which is obtained by chemicals. Fertilizers contains chemicals. That is the example of fertilizers: urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, NPK. NPK means nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Okay, understood? Thank you.